Welcome to day 18 of 90 days reels challenge, and today we are going to discuss about a candle pattern which is called as spinning top. And this particular candle is like an advanced version of doji, in which we are having a big upper as well as lower shadow, but the body of that particular candle is very small, although it is not the same, because in doji we were having open and the closing price as same. But in a spinning top, we can have bullish spinning top as well as bearish spinning top, where there is a difference between open and the closing price of both the candles. But on those particular days, the volatility of that particular candle is very high, based on which it has formed a very big upper shadow as well as lower shadow. And spinning top is usually formed then when there is like a bigger announcements like elections, some other things as well, based on which we have to be very cautious in order to execute the trades. And once we get the confirmations, then the trend reversals can also happen. So this is a short glimpse about spinning top. I'll see you tomorrow with a very new concept.